post-Brexit rally has cooled off and the markets took this entire week to digest the gains that they had been seeing. So the Nifty ended today with marginal losses, but it continues to trade above that 8,300 mark and around the highest levels that were seen in this year. So fairly flattish day by the end of the day, but Sensex held its head above the 27,000 level, even after losing about 75 points at one point in intraday trade. Both the major indices were flat for the week, but mid caps and small caps managed to outperform them, and that seemed to be the trend throughout this week. Anuj Sing is here to put a wrap of the trading action for us. Anuj, decent week, but all in all, it was a week of consolidation.
Well, it was a flat day. It was a muted day. In fact, it was a muted week. It was a truncated week. The markets didn't do much. They traded in a range. Suffice to say, though, that the market recovered from the low point of the day as some bank stocks recovered. But high beta stocks saw some profit booking in trade. In terms of stocks that dragged the markets, Larsen & Toubro, Reliance and ICICI Bank. Some more nifty losers included telecom stocks like Bharti Airtel, Idea and Bharti Infratel as well. In terms of stocks that gained ground today, stocks like Tata Motors looked good. In fact, all the auto stocks did well. Hero MotoCorp was also higher. IndusInd Bank looked good. Asian Paints was one of the top nifty gainers. Apart from that, you had pharma stocks. Pharma really has been the sector of this month. Huge comeback, and that continued today. So stocks like Aurobindo Pharma, Cipla and Dr. Reddy's all gained. Lupin corrected today, but still, for the week, it was up 5%. Tells you the kind of week pharma stocks had. This time round. In terms of mid-cap stocks, earnings reaction, most of them positive today. So 8K Miles, Z-Learn and Global Spirits were all in the green. On the losing side, high beta names corrected today, led by JP Associates. Unitech was also lower, as was Crompton Greaves. So all in all, the market might be showing signs of fatigue at higher level, or it could just be some consolidation. We'll find out, of course, next week. Next week is also important because we also have full-fledged earnings season starting next week with bigger companies. So it's going to be an interesting week.